Hand. Since humans acquired thumbs, humanity started to develop rapidly. Thanks to the ability to grasp, humans can defend themselves, create tools, write, create paintings, build houses, and perform precise tasks. Brain development became a human's evolutionary advantage. It has allowed humanity to discover and invent beautiful things. Towns, art, spaceships, the internet, and most importantly, the washing machine. My Appliance Crew. Appliance repair service in Orange County. Hand and brain. We use both.